Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? Stomach growling, also known as borborygmi, happens when the stomach and intestines contract, moving air, food, and digestive juices around. When you're hungry, the digestive system is actively working, but there's no food in the stomach to absorb the sound of these movements. The growling sound is amplified by the empty stomach. These noises are completely normal and can occur when your body is preparing to eat or when digestion is underway. To avoid growling, try eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day.